well, that is a wrap on that tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed that little edit. This is the first time I've ridden this 32.5 inch Filipe model at this skate park, and it's pretty fun, but on these bigger ramps in the bowl and stuff, it's a bit sketchy because my front foot's always like sliding up a bit after I do those turns, and it's like right on the nose there, so coming down for those landings is a bit sketch. So I wouldn't, I don't know, use this board in bigger ramps. You know, it's a bit too small for me, but super fun. Like, you just whip it around in those smaller ramps, a lot easier than the 34-inch boards. Yeah, it was super sick. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials, more videos. So happy surf skating, go out and shred, and I'll catch you in the next one. Yo!